So hey guys, welcome back to my channel ROHITH TECH. In today's video I'm gonna show you a crazy website which will actually help you to make YouTube videos without showing your face or without letting people know your voice. So this is really a crazy website which is totally done with AI. So with wasting any more time, let's get started. So the website name is studio.d/id.com. You can see on the screen here. So you need to type this on the Chrome browser, and after typing you can see this type of interface here. You need to open this in desktop side. So after opening only it will actually help you to make your own videos. So after opening you need to log in here first, and after getting logged click on create video. So after clicking you can see this type of interface here. Down there are many faces doesn't even exist in the world. These all are created with the help of AI. So for example I'm selecting top right, you can see the script here. So if you have any script written, you just need to copy paste here, or you can personally write your script here like this. I'm writing here. So after the script is done you need to come back, and there you can see languages here. You can select any of the languages like Hindi, Telugu, English, whatever it is. So after selecting you can also select the country wise. So after selecting your totally, and you need to just click on done. You can also select male or female voice. So after selecting the whole process you need to just click on generate video. So after clicking on that your video will be prepared by AI. So after that click on this, and then that's it, your video is ready. So after that you need to click on your video so that it can actually play. So this is how it actually looks.
Welcome back to channel ROHITH TECH.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.